Hello everyone, this is Salman. So now in this video, part 3 of SQL Server, what we are going to see is we are going to see actually a lot of contents. Now first we are going to start with the SQL table. We already see a little bit of what is SQL table. Now let's see how to create a SQL table in real example with practical. So SQL table is a collection of data organized in terms of rows and columns. In DBS term, table is known as relation and row as tuple. So what is a table? Table is this. You see this table contains the columns and inside that each this anchor now and this row is a tuple and this entire table is a relation. We will know what is relation and all later. Now let's see how to create a table in a database. So this is the query to create a table in the database. Now let's see how we can create the database, how we can create table in a database. Now guys, we are going to do the practical part to create a table inside your database. So if you didn't watch our previous video, I'm suggesting you guys please go and watch that video and come again to this video, so you can then only you can understand this video completely. So this is your server. If you expand it, inside it, database, all the stuff are there. So if you do expand the database, you can see SSIS, DB, stranger warehouse, system database, all stuff. I explain you what is system database and all. These two databases are created by myself. So stranger warehouse, in this particular instance, I'm going to use this stranger warehouse database. If you do expand it, you can see there are a lot of stuffs out there. Now we are going to concentrate only on these tables. If you do expand it, there are a lot of stuffs here. Now we are going to concentrate only on this part. These are the tables which are created by myself. This country details, getting source, facts player, up to this players. All these tables are created by myself. Okay, now we are going to create a simple table, guys. To create table inside your database is very simple. So the syntax is create table and the name of the table should be unique. So these two are keywords, and after that, your name of the table. In this instance, I am using stranger. So I'm going to use the stranger warehouse. For this instance, I'm going to use the stranger warehouse DB. Now create table stranger. So the name of the table should be unique. You can't create country details again, getting source again. These are the tables which are already present in the name. So you can't create the same name again. So give a unique name, and inside the table you should have column, right? So the first column is name. So create table, these all are keywords, and the stranger is the name of your table, and name is a column, first column, and the data type is varchar 50. So what is this varchar? Varchar is data type. What type of data you are going to store in this particular column, which is the name column. So in this particular column name, we should store name of the strangers, right? So the name should be string, sequence of string, which means a sequence of characters. So if you give varchar 50, you can store 50 sequence of 50 characters inside this column. Okay, don't worry, I will explain you what is data type and type of data present in SQL Server in the next video. Now only concentrate on how to create table. So name varchar, this is a data type, and the second column what it should be. Okay, age and int means integer. I can store numbers in this age column. So in the name column, we can store varchar 50, which is string length of 50, and in this second column, which is age, and this is integer, right? Numbers. Okay, then select it, execute it, query executed successfully, commands completed successfully. So just refresh it, expand it, stranger warehouse tables. See, DB or stranger. What we created get updated here, right? So this is how we can create table inside the database.